So I want to cover what an AI agent is for those who don't know. And the simple definition is that an AI agent is an AI chatbot plus it can run tools. So now if you know what a chatbot is, you have to know what tools are. So let me explain that to you. Here I have an AI agent written in Python. So I'm focusing in Python here. This AI agent, what it does is, if I run it, it's going to ask me if I want to create some meal plans, generate recipes from ingredients, and I can even upload here an image with ingredients. So I can do several things here. That means the agent has to decide what tools to run. Now, what is a tool? A tool is a Python function, basically. Here is one. Generate recipes tool. So def generate recipes tool, this is a function. So if I chat here with this AI agent and I tell it, oh, I need to know what recipes can I have if I have garlic and tomato and salami. So then this program, this agent will use LLM to analyze my query, my initial query. Here I have the LLM. Let me show you that to you. It's the GPT-4o Mini from OpenAI. So then the LLM will look at what functions I have here that correspond to that query. And the LLM knows that it can be two ways how it knows. It either looks at the docstring of every function. For example, this docstring here is generate recipes based on ingredients. So now the LLM will call that function. This function has another prompt, so it will ask the LLM back. So it's back and forth. It's running these tools in a loop. So this function will prompt the LLM again, you see here, to create some recipes. But if I uploaded an image, then the LLM would look for another function. This one here, analyze food image. So in that case, it would process the image to understand the ingredients in that image, and then perhaps run again. After that, it will run again the generate recipes tool image. So the LLM is the brain here of the agent, and it decides what to run. Now, in this case here, depending on what library, what framework are you using, for example, this is LangChain, and depending on the version, the newer versions will not look at docstrings, actually. You can connect your functions, for example, the generate recipe tool function with a tool object, and then provide a description there. And then LangChain will look at that description to understand what each of these tools does. And so this is a more sophisticated way to have the agent run the tool by having this tool object, but the idea is the same. And yeah, that's what happens behind the scenes of an AI agent. That's the code. I hope it helps, and let me know if you have questions. Thanks.